Hey folks, Eric here from Dirty Old Sneakers, and you know how people are always complaining about DJI's customer service? I gotta tell you, I'm not having a problem. I learned a lot of things from my wife. First and foremost, that, well, how to love. Secondly, how to get what you want. As you know, I had the Mavic Air, and I took it out for a bunch of times, and I made this video about how to do some of the quick shots, but I could never get the asteroid mode to work. And then after that, I took it out. I was trying to get the asteroid mode to work again, and the gimbal started flailing. So I called up DJI, and it's a Wednesday, and I'm going to Florida on Saturday. So I say to them, you need to get this back overnight and then send me one by Friday. And they were like, no, it takes 5 to 10 days for us to get it and 5 to 10 days for us to send it back to you. And that's after it takes us for a few days to look at it and make sure that it needs to be replaced, blah, 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 blah. I said, you know what? I need to talk to a supervisor. I spoke to Jason. Jason sent me an overnight label. So the drone went from New York City to Cerritos, California, Wednesday to Thursday. Thursday afternoon, I get an email from UPS that they're sending me the drone back. I get a call from Jason that afternoon, the supervisor at DJI customer support. And he says, look, I just want you to know that we did our best, and the drone's gonna be, we have a new drone coming out to you on Friday. And check this out. Who is it? Come on up. You too. Boom! This is like the second unboxing video I've done. I'll link to it up here. I was wondering if I should have maybe gotten red this time. Nope. Black. Ah, that new drone smell. Stickers and all. Dude, I don't know what people are complaining about with DJI customer support. Call them, ask them for a supervisor. I got them to deliver to take my drone back, check it, and deliver me a new drone within 3 days. Wednesday, they sent me an overnight label to send it back. They checked it on Thursday, shipped me a brand new drone overnight for Friday, all because I told them I was going away tomorrow, which I am. I'm legitimately going away. But like, everyone complains that DJI customer service is awful, the customer support, they don't do anything, they don't listen, they don't respond. I gotta tell you, man, Jason at DJI customer support, you're the man. Thank you. Thank you for making my vacation with my family that much better, because I'm gonna be able to take some great photographs. I'm gonna be able to take some great videos. I'm just super stoked. Hey, so in the comments below, let me know what your experience with DJI customer support has been. And if you want Jason's number, hit me up. All right guys, thank you so much. If you like this video, smash that like button below, get it up into the YouTube algorithm a little bit more. If you like gear reviews, race reviews, or anything endurance sports related, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.